When it comes to improving and making the buying experience of Second Life vehicles really seamless and future-oriented, we are bringing the supply of commercial vehicles and also the infrastructure to match supply and demand. The goal of the project is really to work on a one-stop shop solution. So the idea is to really have online component to offer customers, logistics companies and any other company for the first time an easy way to search for a vehicle, and also the opportunity to offer any after-sales service such as spare parts and logistics. Schaeffler is providing OE quality spare parts, and when it comes to selling Second Life commercial vehicles, it's always important to offer companies like a full solution. I'm Julia, I'm the co-founder of truckoo.
The pilot project is, in the first step, the approach of both of our companies to the core which we are addressing and using, workshops for commercial vehicles. And we are approaching these workshops because truckoo can be a solution to help them digitalizing a part of their business, which is the difficult part, the trade of commercial vehicles. The part that truckoo has, which is interesting for Schaeffler, is a part which is Schaeffler not covering at all, part of the business of commercial vehicle workshops, the trade with used commercial vehicles. Unique in our cooperation is basically that it was not there on the market yet. A supplier offering spare parts, working together with a digitalized platform in the commercial vehicle trade. So Startup AUTOBAHN facilitated getting in contact with truckoo, brought us into first contact, and afterwards we could directly interact with truckoo. So Startup AUTOBAHN played a major role at the very beginning for the contact creation. My name is Samuel Brown and I'm the team lead for product management of truck and bus articles of Schaeffler Automotive Aftermarket.